10 to 11. We're at the Russian border. We're going to commit to it. Could be 8 hours.
Could be 2.
Could be 2.
Who knows?
I mean, I don't think it's going to get much quieter than that. It's still busy. Hello. Once we're in, we're in. It's gone 3 AM. We're still not through. Oh, been up nearly 24 hours. Cry. Still have a car searched. Our bags searched. 2 hours, maybe 5. We'll get out. Long. Made it out. We're in Russia again. 20 past 4. Bit tired, not gonna lie. But we'll crack on. Just pulled over last night at about 5 AM. Oops. In a little field. For a nap. Now nearly 10 o'clock. We'll carry on. Water. Oh, some mosquito on my GoPro. Dead. Camp spot. We're rolling up to the finish line.
Oh, I see it.
You see? Oh, there she is.
How do we get? Mongol Rally finish.
Go, go, go.
Let's go.
Yeah, go there.
There she is, the finish.
Where I jump on? We jump on.
Damn it.
And there we are, rally complete. Just got to get down this very steep. Fucking hell. Jay! So that is that, Mongol Rally completed, finish line just there. Everyone's going off on it. Cheers guys! See you guys. Oh, that is loud.
So now we've finished. Shall I reflect on the near-death experiences?
Yeah. So
5 near-death experiences. I think 4 of them are from Rupert. The first one was so in Turkey on the top of the D915. A guy just pulled out a handgun and started shooting in Rupert's direction in the air while he was taking some photos. The second one was
me taking us to Armenia.
Oh yeah, George took us to a war zone. The third near-death experience was
on the Pamirs when Rupert went up the handbrake.
Left the handbrake kind of off. Rupert sat on the front of the car, and the car starts sliding down a 15,000 foot hill. The fourth one.
What was the fourth?
Maybe we should redo this when we thought of all 4 of them. 5 of them.
I think I've gone the wrong way, but never mind.
We'll come back to you, yeah.
The 5th one was the airbags going off.
Oh, well, that was a kind of fake one, I reckon. But
it was a 90-mile-an-hour crash into a pedal. That is fucking loud, isn't it? It's in Ulan-Ude. Need to go get some with the car. The weather's quite nice here, to be fair. It's been about 25, 26 degrees. It's had a little bit of rain today, but not too much, as you can see. Yeah, I mean, you know, little shower here and there, but on the whole, the weather's been really good at the moment. Well, at least the car's clean. Look at that! I've seen it so spotless. Oh no, no. You can love me like you say, boy. Oh no, no. So just getting the seatbelt sorted. Just mechanic in Ulan-Ude. After the crash, well, not really crashed, but hit the rock. Hopefully we can get them sorted for the way back. It's a long way to go without seatbelts. The new seatbelts in, nice brown colour, bit dirty, but they work. At this mechanic, just met these guys. Charlie and Archie, I think they are. You'll see them tonight as well. How many Russians does it take to change a light bulb? So I was getting the light bar moved on the TYRES from the roof rack to the bonnet, but they've all buggered off. I think they've got bored and decided to work on another car. They might be here for a while, to be honest, but maybe I'll decide to come back again. On the way to the airport, Jake and Chris are leaving us. On me, Todd.
For 2 hours.
For 2 hours till my dad gets here. 14 minutes. So that's it. We'll say goodbye to Jake and Chris. They're now boarding their flight on S7 to Moscow. And we've moved over to the arrivals where the old man should be here in half an hour or so. As you can see, I've got plenty to do here, lots of shops to look around, hundreds of restaurants. So yeah, having a good time, lots to see.